In this video, I'll be telling you how you can transcribe any video on YouTube and convert that into a social media post for yourself, and that too automatically. Hey guys, my name is Saurabh, and this channel is all about AI automations where I make different tutorial videos on automations that's going to help you in your business. So I'll be telling you how you can automate this entire process of taking a URL of a YouTube video and convert that into a Facebook post. And for that, we'll be using make.com, which is a no-code automation tool. The link to that will be in the description down below. There are plenty of videos on my channel for make.com, and we'll be also using a service called Transcriptor to transcribe the URL. And how this flow is going to work here, let me just zoom in. So we have got a Google Sheet where we have got the title, the link, and the video ID already here. And then it's going to do API call for the transcriptor service, which is this one. And then it's going to extract the order ID, which is the variable for the transcribed URL. And then it's going to store that order ID in a variable. Then it's going to sleep for 60 seconds to give it time for it to run in the backend, and then it's going to get the transcription. Then it's going to add it in a Google Sheet, and then what it's going to do, it's going to summarize that transcription. And for that, we'll be using the OpenAI prompt. And after summarization, it's going to make a post on Facebook, and for that I'm using my assistant, Facebook post assistant, which I'll show you. And then it's going to make a post on Facebook. So this is the entire flow, and without a further ado, let's jump into it and build this together. Okay, so we'll do the usual step of logging into make.com and clicking on create a new scenario. And the very first module that we need is a Google Sheet, and here we are going to do search for the rows. Where is that? Search rows, and make sure your Google account is connected. And I'm going to find my, okay, this is my spreadsheet, and this is name. So what I the first thing what you can do is you can put a title, a link, and the video ID for any YouTube video. So let me just go back into my channel and let me open this one. So this is the title, and this is the link. We'll just click on, and towards the end, this is the video ID. So we'll just store it. So whichever video you want to transcribe, you can just make a Google Sheet and then store it here. And that's it. We just have to click OK here. And next we are going to do a API call for the service called Transcriptor. So we'll do a HTTP request, make a request. I have done another detailed video on my channel that's going to show you this entire process of how to transcribe a YouTube video so using Transcriptor. So you can check that out. And here, let me just post things. Everything is covered in that video in detail of what we are doing here. So we'll just add the headers, and this is the format. So bearer, and then this is the API key for my transcriptor account, and then this is the header. So basically everything is mentioned in the API documentation, which I can show it to you. So yeah, this is the documentation to upload the URL. So you have to add all these headers here. So that's what I am doing. Just copying them from my notes. And then you have to put this raw JSON, and you have to put this. And for this video ID, this is the video ID, and then you click OK. Now let's run this and see. So yeah, you can see that it has given the video ID. Yeah, this is the video ID. So it's already done. We don't want to run many. Anyways, let's stop. So since it has got two records here, that's why it was running twice. But anyways, let's proceed and then add a parser, and that is going to be match pattern, and this is going to be my pattern here, and the data will be this one. And then I'm going to add a variable under tools, set a variable, order ID. So basically we are capturing the order ID. It's going to come here, and then we are going to let it sleep for 60 seconds so that it's going to give that time for the transcriptor to run in the backend. And then we are going to add another make a request. Okay, and then we have added another make a request, so to get the transcription. So this is the URL which we are going to use, and we map it to the order ID, and rest of the things are pretty standard, the headers which we are going to use. And then we are going to add another Google Sheet to add a row. Then we'll do sheet 1. Sheet 1 is going to be this one, where we are going to add the title and the transcription. So we'll just map the values, the title from here, and it's going to be this one. So now after getting that, we need to summarize. So we have going to add create a completion OpenAI module, and this one we are going to use the ChatGPT 4o. And then we're going to add a message. Role is going to be user, and I have got the message here. Let me just paste it. So this is the message. If you don't see, let me just post this. Okay, so this is the message that you will be provided with a transcription. Your task is to carefully read and comprehend the content of transcription. After analyzing the transcript, generate a concise summary of the key points and the main ideas discussed in the video article. And I have kept it to 35 words for now, and then I have given it more inputs to give me the results, and then I have mapped it to the data. And then what we are going to do is we are going to add another module for OpenAI, and this time it's going to be message and assistant. So I have already got the assistant set up, and that assistance is this Facebook assistant which is there. And you can see that it says you are a social media content specialist with a decade of experience in creating compelling high engagement post copy for leading brands of Facebook. And I have given it various instructions, and then I have asked it to put a 70 to 100 word caption here, and the brand of voice I have given. So it's going to make that Facebook post for me. And what I'll do is I'll just put the summary, and I'll map it to the result from here, and then I click OK. So this is the complete automation, and now let's save it. Okay, it says value not empty, think I did not save that one. So we're going to use that, add user, and okay. So here I'm just summarizing it. I'll just, okay. I think I need to add a maximum number of tokens. I put it as 0. Okay, now save it. Saved, and now let's run it. So it has picked up both these. It started the transcription. For the first one, it's going to run twice. So you can see it has given this order ID here, and that order ID we are capturing it from, we are removing it from the text here and then capturing it here in this order ID variable. And now it's going to just sleep for 60 seconds to allow the transcription to run. All right, so it has given the summary here, and now it's creating that message for Facebook. So here you can see this is the output we are going to get. And okay, I think, yeah, I'll just add another module here for the Facebook page. It's just running automatically, but let me, okay. Now if I add a module for the Facebook page, Facebook page, you have to create a new post. You have to connect your Facebook page to this. I have already got it connected, and the message is going to be this result from here. And yeah, that's it. So I got this error during the second run, but that anyways, this is how this automation is going to run, and it is going to post the content on your Facebook right from the Google Sheet, the link for the video. So you can use this to pick up any video in your niche, transcribe it, summarize it, and then create a post on Facebook. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next one.